Thank you, Sam. Thank you for inviting me. I always love to share my story because it is very inspiring for people. But today I really wanted to share something very important, which is a part of my research which is going on. Just to introduce, I am a oncologist specializing in quantum medicine, energy medicine, you can say. And what I have found is everyone talks about magic in Kangen water, miracle in Kangen water, but the actual magic has never been discussed. The reason has never been discussed. I have not heard this from any of the uplines or leaders, no matter how old they have been associated with Kangen. So today, what I'm going to share is going to help you understand what exactly is the why this water is magical. To start with, I would like to tell you there is one organ in our body which which can never suffer from cancer, and I'm sure 99.99% of the people don't know about it because none of the doctors even know about it. You must have heard about cancers of different organs: eyes, nose, ear, blood, bone, everything, but I'm sure you have never heard about the cancer occurring in heart. The heart cell is the one cell in your body which actually resists cancer whole its life. It has resisted the cancer for billions of years since the human history. Cancer has never occurred in in the heart of human being. So when I was doing this research, I found that every healthy cell of human body has a particular amount of negative charge. So if the cell has a charge of minus 70 to minus 90 millivolts, it is supposed to be healthy. So we can say it other way around as well. So if the charge of the cell is between minus 70 to minus 90 millivolt, it cannot suffer. It is supposed to be healthy. Now, when we found that what's the reason what's the reason behind this, the heart cell never getting cancer? So we could not find even a single factor which can cause this, because heart cell can suffer from bacterial infection, can suffer from viral infection, can suffer from worm infestation, but still it was able to resist cancer. So then I measured, I found somebody measured the current of the heart cell, and it was surprisingly the heart cell works at the voltage of minus 120 millivolts. So this was the only reason which I could find in the written history that may help the heart to resist cancer whole its life. So the negative charge of our Kangen water is one of the main reason why we are able to get so many miraculous results. So how it affects is, once you are able to raise your negative charge in your body, in your cells, the not only the resistance towards cancer occurs in the body, but there is a mechanism in the body through which the body heals itself. That mechanism is, so whichever cell is not working, the body makes the new cell and replaces it with the with the cell which is not working. So that's how body is able to heal itself or cure itself of any disease. So what happens is, when you raise this negative charge of the cell, the capacity of reproducing is normalized. So body starts to make new cells due to this negative charge, and that's the reason why we get all the miraculous results, where the diseases are impacted and the conditions are improved and the diabetes are cured, and just like a previous testimony, the thyroid got cured. So it is actually your body which is doing the magic, because you have given the capacity of making new cells to the new your body.
Sorry, I got to give you 1 more minute to wrap up.
Oh, it's done. It's done. That's the only information which I wanted to give you. Thank you so much for your time and
Thank you,
patience.
Mr. Vivid. You have given us a new approach. Actually, what we do, measuring our water, Kangen water with ORP, tell us what you have to say. You know, thank you for bringing this up and then opening the eyes of a lot of these new people. By the way, we do not claim that Kangen water can cure. Okay, we do not make any claims that Kangen water can cure. We are not allowed to do so by the Ministry of Health and also the company too. So we stay safe by sharing the ORP. Okay, that's giving you this millivolts thing. Okay, the next person will come. By the way, thank you very much, Mr. Rajendra. Okay, Sam invited you to talk, so you really had something new to share with a lot of people. The next person we'll call upon to share, we'll go backwards to Rajendra. Rajendra, are you ready? Rajendra Chaudhary? He's not ready. Do we have any more who are ready to share? Technical
Michael.
team, can you? Yes, Sam.
Michael, I would like to invite Vivek Banaga again to share from his experience of treating people with cancer.
Oh, okay.
Are you okay to share that, Vivek?
Yeah.
Vivek. Sure. Definitely.
You have to put your video on, Vivek.
Can you see?
We can see you, Ani.
Okay.
We can see you clearly.
Great. So yes, I have been into the field of oncology for more than 7 years now, and most of the patients what I receive, they are mostly given up by allopathic doctors. They have either they have 2 months of life, which has been declared by the oncologist, allopathy oncologist, because they reach me at the stage where there is no door to go. And the technology which I use is based on quantum. And I don't want to talk about that right now, because the change what has come in my practice is that after I have started using Kangen water, the results have increased by maybe more than 200%. And it is not only the faster results which people are getting, but now it is like a condition. If anyone comes to me and say that they want my consultancy, they want me to treat them for their condition, the first rule is that they need to drink Kangen water. If they can afford, they have to buy it. And if they cannot afford, they have to find a person who can give them the water. And the results have been just miraculous. But I don't claim that Kangen water has cured them. But yes, there are many cases where after drinking Kangen water, the body has started to make new cells, that's what I told you, and recover itself. And yes, I'm also a Kangen survivor. A cancer survivor. And so I know what kind of problems cancer patients go through, because no matter where we go as a cancer patient, there is no respite. It is like taking medicine and nothing is happening. We are going down day by day. But after Kangen, everything has changed, and it has not only given the results in cancer patients, but it has given results in neurological problems, because I also specialize in autism. So it has I've seen that it takes about 6 to 8 months for any autistic child to nearly get to normal life. and it was such a miracle for parents, of the autistic children. Whoever has started to use these Kangen water for their autistic children, and I've been doing research. I've been trying to get in touch with many other parents who are using Kangen water for their autistic children, and I've found that people start getting effect right from the first week. The children start to get calmer. They're totally different being, different person altogether once they start drinking Kangen water. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much, doctor. If I have known you were a doctor and you were an oncologist, I could have given it more time. Sorry about that for cutting you off early, because normally we give 2 to 3 minutes. But yeah, really great. I read somewhere that there's a doctor in oncologist in India who makes sure that all those who want to see him on cancer, they must take a Kangen machine. Now I see you are the gentleman.
One thing I want to say. Can I?
Yeah.
Am I? Okay. I am about to retire from my clinic. Within 3 months, I'm going to shut down my clinic, because now it's time for me to reap the benefits of Kangen business, and I'll be helping people without charging them. But I'm going to shut down the clinic because I'm retiring from my career as a doctor.
By beginning your Kangen career with us.
Absolutely, absolutely.
We wish you all the best, and we
Thank
wish
you.
you success at the earliest time possible. You are really good. Actually, there's a medical organization somewhere, I cannot mention the name, that also uses Kangen water to treat people with cancer. It's not fair for me to mention their name over this forum, because I've not got their okay. But actually, they make sure that everyone who goes to see them for cancer it's mandatory for them to have a Kangen machine.
Actually, I don't like to claim anything. I like to show the facts, because in 19th, we know it's in our demonstration kit slides that we talk about Dr. Otto Heinrich Warburg. He has been given Nobel Prize. He said, if cancer is a disease caused by acidity, it is simple as anything. And if you are able to control the acidity, it is not only cancer. You can actually control any condition with it.
Thank you, doctor. By the way, you were talking about autism too. There's another famous doctor, Dr. Corinne Allen, who's got a lot of results using Kangen water and autism, especially on her 2 kids. Thank you very much for sharing. Give a round of applause to our doctor for sharing. Wonderful. Thank you very much, doctor.